Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com. Today we have a very exciting product for the Can-Am Spyder. We partnered up with TricLED to introduce a full lineup of peel and stick convex mirror add-ons made specifically for the Can-Am Spyder. These mirrors are going to drastically increase your horizontal viewing plane, allowing you to see what's behind you while riding, increasing safety for you and your passenger. Let's take a look at just how easy these mirror add-ons are to install.
Be sure to thoroughly clean the surface area before installing, and be sure you install with a surface temperature between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit for proper adhesion.
Alright guys, well, installation on that went pretty smooth, and we have availability for all Spyder models. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest mods and installs for the Can-Am Spyder. Now if you feel this product is right for you, head over to Slingmods.com today and grab yourself a pair. If not, keep your eyes on this channel and your money in your pocket, because we still have a lot of cool stuff heading your way. I'm Brandon with Slingmods.com, signing out. Thanks for watching.